In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to excel in alphabetical order. Let's dive right into the process of arranging data alphabetically in Microsoft Excel, but with a twist. We'll be doing it using the online version of Microsoft 365, a convenient option for those who prefer working in the cloud. This guide is not only about achieving the task, but understanding each step thoroughly, ensuring you can apply the knowledge to a variety of data organization tasks. First things first, navigate to the official Microsoft 365 website. Here you'll have access to the free online versions of Microsoft's popular Office applications, including Excel. This is a game changer for those who need access to Excel but might not have the desktop version installed. Once on the Microsoft 365 page, you're going to want to sign into your account. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. This step is crucial as it unlocks the full potential of cloud-based document editing and storage. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, consider creating one. It's straightforward and opens a door to a suite of useful tools. After clicking on Sign In, it's time to type in your email address associated with your Microsoft account. Ensure you enter the correct details to avoid any login issues. Once done, hit Next to move forward. If prompted, enter your password too. Remember, security first, always keep your login credentials confidential and use strong, unique passwords. Now, assuming you've accessed Microsoft 365 and are ready to get your hands dirty with Excel, let's focus on the main event, alphabetizing data. Begin by creating a new Excel spreadsheet or opening an existing one from your OneDrive cloud storage. This flexibility is what makes the online version of Excel so appealing. You can access your files from anywhere, on any device, as long as you have an internet connection. Next, locate the column in your spreadsheet that you wish to alphabetize. Perhaps it's a list of names, countries, or any other data type that makes sense to organize alphabetically. Click to highlight the entire column. This action tells Excel exactly which data you're focusing on. With your column selected, it's time to bring some order to your data. Look for the Data tab in the Excel toolbar. This tab houses a variety of functions and tools designed to help you manage and organize your spreadsheet's data efficiently. The user-friendly interface ensures that you won't get lost even if it's your first time dabbling with Excel online. Under the Data tab, your next action is to click on Sort Ascending. This function will automatically reorder the highlighted column's contents alphabetically, starting with A and ending with Z. It's like magic, but better because you're in control. Watch as Excel swiftly organizes your data, saving you the time and hassle of manually sorting the list. And just like that, you've successfully alphabetized your data in Excel online. This streamlined process not only improves the readability of your data, but also enhances your productivity by enabling quick and easy data management. Practical tips to enhance your experience. Always ensure your data is backed up before making any significant changes. Utilize the undo feature if you need to revert any actions, and explore other sorting options available under the Data tab to familiarize yourself with Excel's capabilities further. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to excel in alphabetical order using Microsoft 365 online. By following these steps, you've not only learned how to organize your data efficiently, but also tapped into the potential of cloud-based applications. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to navigate the digital world with ease.